Hello everyone, myself Tejal Traikar. I am from BMS first year PMT's Ayurved College. We are going to discuss about the types of diseases according to Ayurveda, Vyadhi, Sadhya, Asadhyata. Types of diseases Sadhya Asadhya iti Vyadhirद्विधा तौ तु पुनर्द्विधा सुसाध्य कृतसाध्यश्च याप्यश्चानुपक्रमः. There are two main types of diseases which again are further divided into two types. First, Sadhya, which can be cured. Sadhya Vyadhi is again divided into two types. First is easy to cure, that is Sukha Sadhya, and second is difficult to cure, that is Kricha Sadhya. Asadhya Vyadhi, which cannot be cured. Asadhya Vyadhi is again further divided into two types. First is Yapya, which means medicine is required for as long as patient is alive. Anupkrama, nothing can be done. Qualities of disease which can be cured easily. सर्व औषधे क्षमे देहे यूनो पुंसो जितात्मनः अमर्मगो अल्पहेत्वग्र रूपरूपो अनुद्रवः अतुल्य दुष्य देशर्तु प्रकृतिः पादसंपत्ति ग्रहेषु अनुग्रहेषु एकदोषः मार्ग नवः सुख. सर्व औषधे क्षमे देहे, it means the body of patient is able to tolerate all types of medicines. Yunaha, young patient. Jitatmanaha means patient having good control over the sense organ who follows subsistence. Amarmag, if the disease is not affected in the sensitive areas like brain, heart, kidney. Alpahetu, if the cause of disease is mild. Alparup, mild symptom. Anupdrava, no complication. Atulya Dushya, Desha Rutu, Prakruti, which means if the dosha involved dhatu, desh, rutu, prakruti are not influenced by one particular dosha. Path Sampati, if all the 16 qualities of doctor, patient are present. Graha Anuguna, if astrology in the favor of patient. Ek doshaja, disease due to only one dosha. Ek marga, if only one body canal is affected. Nava, disease of recent origin. Qualities of diseases that are difficult to treat. Shastradi sadhana, kruchra, sankaracho tatagada. It means disease which require the use of sharp instrument in the treatment, and also those which have mixture of factors enumerated in previous verses are krichasadhya. Controllable diseases. Seshta dayushu yapya pathyabhyasa dviparye. Disease which remains throughout the life and can be controlled. अनुक्रम एव शास्तिस्तु अत्यंत विपर्ये औत्सुक्य मोह arati kruda dashtarashtrakshanashana. It means disease which have features entirely opposite of curable diseases, which have stay for long time of period, involving all the important tissues and vital organs, which have produced anxiety, delusion and restlessness, which are presenting fatal signs and which are causes loss of sense, are impossible to cure, which require no therapy, fit to be rejected, sure to be cause death. Patient worth rejection. त्यज्येदार्तं भीषक भूपैरद्विष्टं तेषां दुषं दुषं हीनोपकरणं व्यग्रविधेयं गतायुषं चण्डं शोकान्तरं भीरुं कृतघ्नं वैद्यमानिनं. The physician should reject the patient who is hated by physician and the king, and who hates them, who hates himself, who is not having the equipments and other facilities required for treatment, who is busy with other activities, not having the required attention, leisure, etc. towards the treatment, who is disobedient to the physician, whose life is coming to an end, who is evil mind, who is afflicted with the great grief, who is full of fear, who is ungrateful, and who thinks himself to be physician in the respect of deciding drug, therapies, food, and activities.